सुन के हमने सारी पीली हंसी। हंसती रहे तू हंसती रहे, हया की लाली खिलती रहे, जुल्फ के नीचे गर्दन पे सुबह शाम मिलती रहे। हंसती रहे तू हंसती रहे, हया की लाली खिलती रहे, जुल्फ के नीचे गर्दन पे सुबह शाम मिलती रहे। सौंधी सी हंसी तेरी खिलती रहे मिलती रहे।
वाह शनी, 50 साल, चीयर्स। आज तुम 50 साल की, कल मैं 50 साल की, हम दोनों 50 साल की। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हाय शाइनी, बहुत बहुत बधाई हो भाई जन्मदिन की। 50 साल, वंडरफुल 50 years and wonderful association we had. School, you know, like everyone else, but more was college. Chemical branch used to be, you know, center of attraction, but you know, हमने तुमको परेशान कभी नहीं किया भाई कॉलेज में, so you can't, you know. Anyway, it's your special day. 4 लाइन तुम्हारे लिए खास, ध्यान से सुनो। नदी चाहे गहरी हो लेकिन प्रवाह आज भी वही है, भले ही तुम 50 की हो गई हो पर उत्साह आज भी वही है। तेरा शर्मीलापन तेरी मुस्कुराहट सदाबहार है, साल भले ही बदल गया हो पर तेरे चेहरे का नूर आज भी बरकरार है। स्पेशल लिखी है। तो चलो ठीक है, एंजॉय योर डे एंड हैव ए ब्लास्ट।
Hi Shiny, have a great day. It's your 50th birthday and it's very special to you. I know you don't look like 50, but officially you are. The best part is you are so special to me because you are my first best friend and we used to sit together in our primary school together and kya din the yaar. We were so much poles apart but still we had that cool understanding. I miss those days. I miss our friendship. Have a great day. Have a blast.
हाय शाइनी, हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे। क्या बोलूं, तेरे साथ मेरी दोस्ती शायद सबसे ज्यादा फर्स्ट ईयर में हुई, बीएससी फर्स्ट ईयर, व्हेन यू जॉइंड ओनली फॉर अ फ्यू डेज बिफोर गोइंग ऑफ टू द इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज। और तब मुझे लगा हाय जीवन, लाइफ जो है शाइनी के बगैर कैसे कटेगा। यू आर सच एन इंट्रोवर्ट फ्रॉम क्लास 1 to 8। तो एक इनविजिबल वॉल बना के रखती थी अपने चारों तरफ एंड आई वॉज प्रोबेबली एबल टू ब्रेक इट इन फर्स्ट ईयर। और हम लोग की इतनी अच्छी दोस्ती हो गई। दोज मेमोरीज विल ऑलवेज स्टे विथ मी शाइनी। Wherever you are, always stay happy, healthy. All my best wishes to you always.
Hi Shiny, happy birthday to you. This is such an awesome feeling, you know, to be celebrating the golden birthdays as well. I still have a very fond memory of one of your birthdays when Auntie invited us all over, and what fantastic food she served us. I still have the taste in my mouth. Lovely, yaar. Stay calm, stay beautiful as always. Our friendship goes long back, right from middle school to senior school. We shared the same section also, Shani, and then we did 4 years of engineering. That too with the same stream. Awesome. And now whenever you come down to Delhi and when we meet, you really bring joy to our lives. Thank you so much for everything. God bless you. Stay happy. Happy birthday. Bye bye. Take care.
Many happy returns of the day, Shani. Have a golden birthday, dear. Stay the way you are. Wishing you tons of happiness and love always.
Happy golden birthday, Shani. We all have turned 50. Unbelievable, isn't it? Wishing you a fantastic day on this milestone birthday of yours, and may you be blessed with happiness, good health, and success in the years to come. As I look back, I still have vivid memories of the good times that we spent together during our school days. Later, after engineering, when we met in Pune, we still used to meet and had some good times together. I remember coming for your wedding as well, and looking forward to meeting you in the future too. Enjoy your day with your family. Post your pictures. Convey my regards to your husband and boys. Happy 50th once again, Shani. Bye bye. Love you. Take care.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday. This is your birthday song. Celebration all night long. May all your dreams come true. We sing all together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday celebration. Party night, could feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right. Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday. This is your birthday song. Celebration all night long. May all your dreams come true. We sing all together. Happy birthday to you. It's a perfect motivation. Feel the vibe, enjoy the fascination. All your friends are here tonight. Happy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shani. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Shani. Many, many happy returns of the day. Welcome to Club 50. Have a day, have a blast, enjoy. Bye bye.
Hi Shani, happy birthday to you. Have a great day. Enjoy and try to be more active on the group. So अब तो 50 के हो गए, सेकंड फेज ऑफ लाइफ शुरू हो रहा है. अब तो chill out, enjoy yourself, and I hope you are free from all your responsibilities, so you can take out time for yourself. So enjoy. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shani. I'm so delighted that I'm able to wish you via this video message in person on this momentous milestone of yours. My memories of you actually pan through 5th to 8th grade. We were together 5C, 6C, 7C, and 8C in Sector 10 middle school. High school, I think we all drifted apart. And then it's been so long. And then 2015, when we were about to leave India, I happened to visit Pune, and we actually got to talk over the phone. I was just disappointed that the 7 years that I lived in Pune, we never got to meet. I was not aware that you lived in Pune. Well, that's okay, but it was very nice talking to you that one time over the phone. And then, of course, we keep seeing each other's messages on the girls group. So that kind of gives me an idea what you're up to and what you're doing, and that you have 2 sons. Just be there more on the messages side, kind of just be more active. Keep participating. It'll be nice to know what's going on with your life, and feels good to catch up with each other. Once again, wish you a very happy golden milestone 50th birthday. Have fun. Don't be shy. Please post your pictures of celebration. Take care. We'll hopefully see each other soon. Bye.
विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे. खूब एंजॉय करो, खूब मज़े करो. ये लॉकडाउन वाला जो अभी जो प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम लोग ज़्यादा एंजॉय कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे से मिल के जूम कॉल पे. और होप टू मीट यू ऑन योर 50th बर्थडे एंड विल डेफिनेटली bring some surprise and we'll wish you on that day. Enjoy. Have a wonderful year ahead. Lots of love.
Hi Shiny, happy birthday. Wishing you lots of love and happiness, good health, and you're turning 50, and I hope you enjoy your day to the fullest, and enjoy with the family, good health, and post some pictures so that we can see you more. I never connected with you, but love to connect with you. And take care, stay safe. Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Hi Shani, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Have a great time with your family. God bless you. जब भी मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोचती हूँ, सबसे पहले ख्याल जो मुझे आता है वो ये है कि यू आर द ओनली पर्सन जिसके साथ मैं क्लास 1 से लेके कॉलेज तक पढ़ी हूँ. So that makes really a difference to me. And you are one of those persons who is really a very nice soul, I should say. God bless you. Bye.
Hello Shiny, many happy returns of the day. I remember you as a tall and a quiet person, and very hardworking and very polite, graceful. Enjoy your day with your family. Have a great day and a year ahead. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.
Hi Shiny, wish you a very happy 50th golden birthday. क्या कर रही है आज? You must have got a lot of plans. Have a wonderful birthday, wonderful celebration. Have a blast. I remember you as a very shy girl and always having smiling face, ready to help everyone. And really those were so wonderful days. Anyway, enjoy, have a blast. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shiny. Happy 50th. Stay blessed. Enjoy your day with your family. As I remember back, I remember you as a beautiful, cool-eyed girl, very quiet girl of our class. I remember the tiffin time we used to share the tiffin. You used to bring the lovely white fluffy idlis and red chutney. That was my all-time favorite, I think so. I fell in love with idlis from there. Good old days, good old memories. Stay blessed, dear. Enjoy your birthday. Have a great year ahead. And hope and pray that next year we all celebrate together. Till then, cheers.
Happy birthday to you, dear Shiny. May God bless you with lots and lots of happiness and good health. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Thank you.